Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have, and I'm so excited, I have new Lethal Cosmetics to share with you guys today. This is my very first time receiving PR from the brand. You guys know I've been trying Lethal Cosmetics here on my channel for quite some time, and I've really enjoyed the majority of the things that I have received. So Lethal Cosmetics recently dropped two different shadow collections. So they dropped their new Magnetic Pure Metals collection, which consists of 6 different shadows. Now, all of these shadows, there's 12 total, they're going to retail individually anywhere between $9 and like $16.50 on their website. If you wanted to buy the 6 bundle of the Pure Metal Shadows, let me give you the prices because I was looking at everything right before I came on. So the Pure Metal bundle is $50.85, and it does consist of 6 different shadows. If you wanted to buy the Multichrome bundle, that one is a little more expensive. That one retails for $89.10. If you wanted to buy the full collection, which would be the 6 metals, 6 multichromes, and their 12-pan magnetic palette, the empty palette is $13. The entire collection with this palette would be filled up, which is what we're going to do today. This retails for $151.65. Now, Lethal Cosmetics is sold here in the US at Camera Ready Cosmetics, but I don't know that this collection is already over there. So if I can find it over there, I'll have it linked. If not, I'm going to have it just linked directly to Lethal Cosmetics. Of course, you can pick and choose your shades. You don't need to just stick to this bundle or these specific shades. If you wanted to get maybe like 2 multichromes and maybe 3 of the new metals, and then you wanted to add some mattes, you most definitely can do that. It is customizable over there at Lethal Cosmetics, and Lethal Cosmetics is a German-based indie makeup brand, one that I have really been enjoying here in my stash for a number of years. And thank you so much to the team at Lethal Cosmetics for reaching out and sending me this beautiful PR package. I'm going to do some live swatches for you guys. I'll be showing you guys the swatches indoors, and then I'll head outdoors once I have them all swatched. That way you guys can see what they look like in both types of lighting. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just say hello and welcome to all of you. Thank you guys so much for being here, and let me invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you are a fan of indie makeup, in particular Lethal Cosmetics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up before you go. Let's get started with these live swatches. We're gonna move on over to the other side of my filming room, and we're gonna see how all of these swatch out, and I will be creating a look at the end of the video before we wrap up everything. If you guys want to see this new Lethal Cosmetics collection in action, keep on watching. All right, so I am so excited. We're going to start first with the Pure Metal Shadows, and here is the an up-close look at the empty compact here, and it's just a 12 pan. You do have a mirror up here at the top, and again, this one retails for $13. So let's start swatching our first Pure Metal Shadow. This one is called Alloy. Put that one right here. That is so buttery smooth. Oh, I can't wait to take these outdoors. This next shade is called Mercury. Pick up a little bit more of that one. Wow, I can't get over how smooth they feel. Next up is the shade Palladium. Next, we have the shade, is that Cobalt? The pink one. Ooh, that's pretty. That looks like it matches my new nail polish. Barbie pink over here. Next, we have the shade Pyrite. A pretty gold. A little bit more. And last but not least, in the Pure Metal collection, we have the shade Bismuth. think I got a little too much of this one. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. So these are the 6 pure metal shadows. So now I'm gonna go ahead and head outdoors. That way you guys can see what these look like in natural lighting. Okay, so here we have the 6 different multi-chromes. The first shade that I'm going to swatch for you guys, this shade is called Spectrum. Has like a little bit of a red to gold to peach in there. This next shade over here, this one is going to be called Supernova. Beautiful purple. These feel very softly pressed. So this one I'm seeing like a lavender pink shift. Maybe a little bit of blue in there as well. Next we have the shade Andromeda. This one looks beautiful. I think I'm gonna wear this one today. It's gonna match my top. Yeah, this is like a peach gold. Maybe a little bit of green in there. What do you guys think? Next we have the shade Infinity. Oh, I definitely see green in this one. This one feels more smooth than these other 3 did. Next, we have the shade Hyperspace. Look at this beautiful, like, teal green shade. Pick up a little bit more of that one. Oh, that is so pretty. I see, like, maybe a green, maybe a little bit of a gold shift in that one. Kind of hard to see the shifts. This looks just straight up green, which I don't mind at all. And last but not least, we have the shade. This one is called Red Shift. That's pretty. There you can see like the gold to red reflect. And there are all the multi-chrome shades swatched. Let me take you guys outdoors so we can see what these look like in natural lighting. Okay guys, I've already primed my eyelids with the Bella Beaute Bar Eyeshadow Primer, and I'm going to be bringing in the Lethal Cosmetics Metamorphosis palette because I think these tones kind of go more with my top that I'm going to be wearing today. So I'll be using the mattes in this palette, and then we're going to use some of the pure metals and multi-chromes that are in this new collection. So I think the shade that I'm going to start with first is... I'm thinking the orange. I'm thinking the orange is gonna look fabulous. So let's just go there with that one. I'm taking that on a Gain Beauty E01. I'm gonna focus this right here, like in the inner half. I'm also gonna bring it down a little bit on the lid. Guys, my other Lethal Cosmetics palette, their latest launch, the launch right before this one, was it the Super Bloom? Something like that. Anyway, it was kind of more along the lines of like a pastel palette. I still cannot find it. I have no idea where I put it. I hate to say this, but sometimes this does happen, but I usually catch it. Sometimes, like, I have my trash can right here, and so stuff sometimes will fall off into the trash can, either while I'm filming or while I'm cleaning up or, like, you know, moving stuff around. I feel like, what if that happened with the palette and I was filming and I totally forgot and it got thrown away? Because I have looked everywhere for it. It's either somewhere maybe on my dining room table or that's what happened to it. And I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I don't know. I don't know where it is. I have no idea where it is. Like, I didn't take it anywhere. I didn't take it out of the house. I'm thinking it either has to be on the dining room table or it accidentally got thrown away. How sad is that? Okay, so loving that orange. Now I'm gonna go straight in Ooh, do I want to do the green? No, I think that's going to look a little too fallish. I'm just going to go in with this deeper maroon shade for the outer corner. I'm using a Singe Beauty E05. Now in a BK A504, I'm just going to bring that same maroon shade. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Kind of just like halfway in the lower lash line. Okay, so now we're going to be using some of the Pure Metals and Multichromes in this palette. What I want to do right now is lay down some NYX Glitter Primer first. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with Red Shift over here. This is one of the Multichromes, and I'm going to use the same brush. This is a Morphe M124, and I'm going to focus that out here. I'm going to try and use 3 different shades. Now I'm going to go in, let's see, we could do the green. That would be really interesting, right? The green is called Hyperspace. Let's try this out. Let's put that right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect pop. And I'm not even spraying the brush. These are stunning, guys. Look at the shift. Green to pink to purple to red to orange. Oh, heaven. Right here. Woo! I love it. I love it all day long. Okay, now I haven't used one of the metal shades, so I gotta incorporate at least one of those. I'm looking for my, let me use my Refer 26. Gosh, I just feel like there's more of the multi-chromes that go with like my look today, but I think I'll do this shade. This shade is called Pyrite, and I'm gonna do that like right down here. This one I am gonna spray just because it is it has more texture to it, and I'm gonna be putting it on a smaller portion. Oh my god. Wow. I think I have enough left, yep, to do the other eye. I'm going to do the rest of the makeup off camera, the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this final look, and we'll wrap up today's video. Okay guys, so here is the completed look. I love the way everything turned out. Let me quickly just tell you some of the products that I went in with. I've been trying out and I've been loving this new Essence mascara. This is the Lash Like a Boss Instant Lift and Curl Mascara. I did add a little half lash. These are new. These are from my latest Get Ready With Me video, drugstore makeup Get Ready With Me video. These are from Eylure, and they're the Luxe Silk 4-pack of lashes, and it does come with a little mini size of lash glue. I tightlined the upper lash line with this one from Rare Beauty, and for the lower waterline, Natasha Denona. This is her Macro Tech eye crayon in the shade Burgundy. Guys, look at how beautiful these Pure Metals and Multichrome Shadows look. I love this color combination. I'm glad I was able to incorporate green. I love it combined with the Lethal Cosmetics Metamorphosis palette. And again, everything can be purchased together, the entire bundle. It is a little pricey just because it is expensive to formulate multichrome shadows, but the entire palette with the 6 metals and 6 multi-chromes retails for about $150 on the Lethal Cosmetics website. That is already at like a 10% discount. Now, of course, you can purchase everything individually, and I think everything is in stock right now over on their website. The empty palette retails for $13, and then the shadows range anywhere from $9 to $16.50. Let me know, guys. Let me know if you picked up anything from this latest Lethal Cosmetics release. What are some of your favorite Lethal Cosmetics palettes or products? Leave it in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, cheers, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.